how to get bonus bets on Fanduel. So there are a few different methods of how you can get bonus bets. The first one is going to be the sign up bonus, which is going to be a welcome offer. New users can often receive a welcome bonus when they create an account and make their first deposit. Fanduel's promotions frequently include a no sweat first bonus, where your first bet is risk-free. The second way of how you can get bonus bets is for ongoing promotions. So Fanduel runs various promotions for existing users, such as the Parlay Insurance, the Odds Boost promotions, and the referral bonuses. The third way of how you can get bonus bets is the loyalty programs and challenges. Fanduel sometimes offers loyalty rewards or challenges where you can earn bonus bets by completing tasks such as placing a certain amount of bets or wagering at a certain amount. The fourth way of how you can get bonus bets is the daily or weekly promotions. Here you can read more about them. The fifth or second to last way are the bonus code offers. Fanduel may offer promo codes for bonus bets during certain promotions or partnerships. And the last way is going to be the bet and get promotions. So bet X, get Y offers where you receive a bonus or where you receive bonus bets after placing a bet of a certain value. For example, we might have promotions like bet 20 on NFL, get 10 in bonus bets. So I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.